Question 5, we're asked to tick the boxes, and it does say tick one box only, so read the question carefully. Sometimes there could be more than one box. And if you looked at an earlier video, you'd see that a square is a parallelogram all the time. A square is always a parallelogram. That's always true. A parallelogram is a rectangle. Well, that can be true, but it's not always true, so therefore it's sometimes true. The diagonals of a parallelogram always bisect each other. Theorem 9. And a parallelogram with equal sides is a square. That is going to be true sometimes, but not all the time. And if a quadrilateral has one right angle, then it is a right angle. Then it is a rectangle. Well, that is possible. So it's sometimes true. It's not always true. So question 6. PQRS is a parallelogram. You can see here in the right hand side. P, Q, R, and S. Find the measure of the following line segments and give a reason in each case. So QP, so what are they testing here? QP is opposite to 20. Opposite sides are equal. So QP 20. PS is opposite 16. Opposite sides are equal. MQ, so now we're looking for the bisector. So obviously when you know these rules, you just write 15 here because the other side is 15. And this becomes really easy. And SQ, well, SQ is just 15 plus 15. We're making two jumps of 15. So SQ is 30. In question 7, you'll find this easy now with your knowledge. You can see A here is on the other side of the Z. Let's just look at our Z here. The bottom part of it and the top part of it. So A has to be 23. And why? Because it's alternate. You don't have to write alternate to the angle, whatever the name of the angle is. We just say it's alternate. The angle B. What can we say about the angle B in relation to 58? It's opposite. B is equal to 58. And we can write op angles in parallelogram are equal. If you wanted to expand it out, do. And show as much work as possible. So we're showing our work here. And we're explaining angle C. So C, we know these two internal angles of a quadrilateral. So this angle on the corner and this angle on the corner equal 180. So why don't we say that? Why don't we say 180? Just to write it out is equal to B plus C plus 23. So 180 minus B, which is 58, minus 23, leaves us with angle C. Giving us C to B, we're taking away 70 and 11, we're taking away 81. So C is going to be 99 degrees. So just follow each step nice and clearly. So let's look at this one. Just may look a bit more complicated just because the way it's written. The thing that stands out to me, and hopefully you, is the Z. So we've got alternate angles. So this one has to be 14. So we can put that in straight away. We're not asked for it, but that's alternate to 14. So we should be able to see A and 84 correspond here. So A has to be equal to 84. And we can also say that A is equal to B. I'll put in correspond here. Corresponding angle. A is equal to B. Up. And I'm just going to use the symbol for angles in parallelogram. So we now have the 14 and we have B, so we can get C using the triangle rule. Here's my triangle. So the 14 has helped us. 14 plus C plus B is a triangle, so it equals 180. So we're looking for C, so C is equal to 180. Take away my 14 and take away B, which we got to be 84. And we just need to write that down here. We didn't write down B equals 84, just write that down. So C is equal to 180, take away 98. That's going to give 82 degrees for C. So in these questions, you'll always find somewhere to start and just make your way into it. And you can see here, we needed this angle that we weren't asked for. So if you see an angle, write it in, even if it's not labeled with a letter, because it should help you somewhere in the question.